In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the SSL certificate from Godaddy. This process is crucial if you're looking to secure your website, ensuring that your visitors' data remains private and protected. Now, securing your website might sound intimidating, but don't worry, it's simpler than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to Godaddy's platform. Open up your web browser and type in Godaddy's website address. Godaddy is a well-known domain registrar and web hosting company that offers tools for online marketing, hosting, and of course security through SSL certificates. Once you're on their homepage, look for the section labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting, and Online Marketing Tools. This is your starting point. Next, you'll want to click on the Products tab in your account. This is where Godaddy groups all the various services and products you might have purchased from them, including your SSL certificates. Take a moment to navigate through your available products. This step ensures that you're in the right place to manage your domain security. Once you're in the product section, the next move is to click on SSL certificates. This link will direct you to a page specifically dedicated to managing all SSL related activities. If you're unfamiliar, SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, a standard security protocol for establishing encrypted links between your web server and your visitor's web browser. This page is central to the operation, whether you're buying a new certificate or managing an existing one. Now, since we're here to obtain an SSL certificate, you will need to click on Certificates. It's a straightforward option on the page, and once you click it, you'll be directed to a list of all the SSL certificates linked to your account. Needless to say, ensure that you have the correct permissions and account access to proceed with managing certificates. Finally, it's time to manage your SSL certificates. Here you'll see a list, and you'll need to select the certificate you wish to download. Look for the option marked Manage next to the specific certificate in question. By clicking Manage, you'll gain access to various options, including downloading the certificate to your computer. Make sure you follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the download. And there you have it. You've successfully followed the process of obtaining your SSL certificate from Godaddy. With that, your website is on its way to being securely encrypted, providing added security for your users. Remember, keeping a site secure not only protects sensitive data, but also enhances your site's credibility and search engine rankings. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.